Hello guys, welcome to another short tutorial about the DaVinci Resolve for the iPad. And today I'm going to tell you how you can easily use the DaVinci Resolve app from the iPad and a second monitor with it. As you can see here, I have what is the normal iPad DaVinci Resolve view, and as you can see there as well, I have an external monitor that mirrors completely what I have in my monitor. To do so, you'll need one of two things, either an Apple TV, which is what I'm using here, or a simple dongle that allows you to connect an HDMI cable from your iPad to your TV. Once you do it in both ways, well, you can just as easily as you can see here have your iPad view mirrored into a TV or a second monitor. I'm using here this big screen just so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. To mirror using Apple TV is very easy. You have to go on the right top corner and select this icon. And once you do it, you enable mirroring. Select your Apple TV and enable the mirroring. Right now I'm doing it, so I don't need to click on anything else. But I do have to warn you about this. As you can see right now, the external monitor has an exact mirrored version of my iPad screen. And this is what you'll get if you have the free version of the DaVinci Resolve for the iPad. As you may know or not, there are two versions, the free version and the studio version, which is a paid version, around 100 euros or $100, give or take. If you do have the paid version, well, you can use this external monitor, that monitor over there, to be a full screen of the image that you have in this area. But this only works with the paid version. And once you got the paid version, well, this is what you have to do. You just come to this area and you long press until it opens this option, Video Clean Fit. You go and you select External Display. And once you do it, this is what's going to happen. You have this on your iPad, and then, look at that, you have a full screen version on what you see this area of your monitor. So this is really great, and I would say that just for this function I would buy the studio version. I do have the studio version, as I told you, otherwise I wouldn't be able to do this. So there we go. As you can see, an external monitor is able to be used with the DaVinci Resolve iPad app, and with this, look, it just can go and increase all this area here so you have a better view of your timeline. I mean, you don't need none of this space, and here you can see all your timeline and all your effects and so on, and you can use the external monitor to view all your changes that you do in the timeline. Okay guys, hope you found this video useful. See you at my next video.